SLLP Latin Music, fast to begin. Moving up now, Ori outside is Zamit Force, guided missile in the middle, and Ori outside War General. Next on line, Sovereign Dancer, Selecti, Gold Color, Pristine Water. Then next on line is Plate again, while Violeta Secret is running at the tail of the field as they lead the straight of Latin Music by about a length and a half. Right behind in second is Zamit Force, 7 lengths away in third, Guided Missile. Alongside is War General. Sovereign Dancer comes next, Selecti. Then next on line is Gold Collar as they settle down the bank. And it's still Latin Music by about a length and a half. Zamit Force remains in second, about 6 lengths away in third is Guided Missile. War General remains in fourth. Selecti now moving up down or inside to take fifth. Sovereign Dancer 6, 7's Gold Color. Pristine Water Plate again. And it's still Latin Music by about 3 lengths. Zamit Force remains in second. And here comes Guided Missile. Now coming closer into the as they come down at the last 200. Latin Music by about 3 lengths. Zamit Force and Orias, and now is Guided Missile. Last 100. Latin Music, Guided Missile is already outside to grab the lead. And finally the program ender, Guided Missile, Latin Music, Zamit Force, Pristine Water, Selecti,